Alright. Hi, I'm Federico, and this is our Group 4 project, and we are Group 4.
Woo! Clap! Woo! Yay! We are Group 4. Hello, we are Group 4, and we investigated how does the biodiversity of plant life change as you move away from a river. First, we measured out 30 meters using a trundle wheel. Next, at every 5 meters, we put down chopsticks to measure out where the 5 meters were 7 times.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Okay. So we put one down, and then you measure out 5 meters.
3, 4, 5, right here. Alright.
Alright.
Another 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, right here.
Alright. Put one here.
Now to start our actual investigation. At every 5 meters, where we put the chopsticks, we place the quadrat and we set it down right next to the chopstick, and this is how we started our investigation.
Yeah. Okay, so our plant number 1 is this, and so here we're just gonna count how many times it appears in the quadrant. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So it appears 7 times. So now Maddie's gonna write on her notes that it appeared 7 times. And then to calculate the percentage coverage, each square counts as 4%, since in total there are 25 squares. So this would be 4, 8, 16, and 24. So the percentage coverage is 24%. Maddie took note of every plant, and we took pictures and we collected a piece, because it's really important that for each quadrant on each meter you keep count of which plant is which, so that each plant number 1 is labeled the same in each quadrant.
Okay, so our next step of this process was measuring at each different stake at every 5 meters where we put down our quadrat. We also measured the soil moisture and the soil temperature.
Right now we're measuring the temperature and the moisture of the soil.
So this machine tells you the percentage of how moist the soil is, which is right now 40.6%. And soon we will know the temperature as well.
You're just filming all the time, okay. This is what Kachka looks like.
This is what David looks like. This is Carter. This is
Y'all know what I look like.
Okay, so
After measuring the soil moisture and the soil temperature, we are going to take samples of the soil at each of the stations using one of these, which is about 10 centimeters long. And we will take a sample of soil, and then we will show you what we will do with that.
Right? Go.
So now we're taking the sample of the soil, now deep down 10 centimeters, and then we send it to the lab. Carter is taking the soil surface.
Show us your hands, Carter.
probably the best work of artistic I've ever been a part of. We love Group 4!
You lift my heart up when the rest of